Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic and reliable cars ever made, the Toyota Corolla. And for 2025, Toyota is keeping the legacy alive with some smart upgrades while sticking to what has always made this car such a favorite. So if you're considering getting a compact sedan this year, stay tuned, because the 2025 Corolla might just be exactly what you're looking for. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the 2025 Corolla keeps its clean, modern look. It's not flashy, but it's sharp. Subtle changes to the front fascia and a slightly updated grille give it a fresher presence on the road. The LED headlights look sleek and the rear has a tidy, streamlined vibe. It's the kind of car that looks confident without trying too hard, which is honestly perfect for people who want something stylish but practical. Under the hood, you're getting the same dependable 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 169 horsepower. It's paired with a CVT, which is tuned well enough to make city and highway driving smooth and predictable. You're not buying this car for crazy acceleration, but for daily commuting and weekend drives, it does the job without fuss. And let's not forget fuel economy. Toyota claims up to 41 mpg on the highway, and real-world tests show it's pretty close to that, which is awesome in 2025 with gas prices being what they are. For those leaning green, Toyota continues to offer the Corolla Hybrid. It's a great option if you want even better mileage, with some trims pushing over 50 mpg. And yes, all-wheel drive is available on the hybrid models, which is a nice bonus for people in colder climates or those who just want a little extra grip on the road. Inside the cabin, Toyota keeps things simple and functional. The materials feel solid, with soft touch surfaces in the right places. The seating is comfortable for long drives, and the layout is intuitive. The 8-inch touchscreen remains the centerpiece of the dash, now running the updated Toyota Audio multimedia system. It's responsive and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is practically a must-have now. You also get standard features like a digital instrument cluster, push-button start, and automatic climate control, even on the lower trims. Safety is where the Corolla really shines. Toyota continues to include its Safety Sense 3.0 suite across the board, which means you're getting features like adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, automatic emergency braking, and pedestrian detection without paying extra. For a car in this price range, that's impressive and makes it one of the safest options in its class. Trims range from the affordable LE to the sportier SE and XSE, and if you're looking for a bit more flair, the Nightshade Edition is back, rocking blacked-out accents and bronze wheels for a more aggressive look. Now, pricing. Toyota has kept it competitive. The base model starts in the low $20,000s, which is great value when you consider the reliability, tech, and safety that come standard. Even fully loaded, you're still well under the price of many compact SUVs or electric vehicles. That makes the 2025 Corolla a great choice for students, young professionals, or anyone just wanting a no-hassle car that will last. So, is the 2025 Toyota Corolla exciting? Not in the traditional sense. But it's consistent, affordable, efficient, and safe. It's the kind of car you buy when you want something that just works, and keeps working, for years. And sometimes, that's exactly what you need. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, leave a comment with your thoughts on the 2025 Corolla, and don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews and auto news. Catch you in the next one.